For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US President Donald Trump took the center stage again in Florida after being off trail for 10 days due to COVID-19. President Trump said that he is immune and is in a great shape to continue his campaigns. What came as a surprise was that President Trump said that he will give everyone a big fat kiss. I went through it now and they say I'm immune. I feel so powerful. I'll walk in there, I'll kiss everyone in that audience. I'll kiss the guys and the beautiful women. Just give you a big fat kiss. As Trump was on his way to Florida, his medical team announced that the president had tested negative. I can share with you that he tested negative on consecutive days using the Abbott Binax Now antigen card. The negative determination had taken into account a number of measurements and not just the rapid test alone. During his campaign rally, President Trump reiterated that he likes Florida and the state can play an important role in the elections. Oh, do I like Florida? The state could play a crucial role on November 3rd. 4 years ago, we had the same thing. We are going to lose Florida, they said 4 years ago. 22 days from now, we are going to win this state. We are going to win 4 more years in the White House. Trump was on a roll during the campaign and continued his speech by lauding his nominee for the Supreme Court Justice, Amy Coney Barrett. She is going to be a fantastic US Supreme Court Justice. Who would have thought we are on number 3, you know? President Trump's schedule is packed as he tries to win over voters just 3 weeks before the election day. President Trump's plans have come amid unanswered questions regarding the president's health. Trump also continued his attack on the World Health Organization and said that the premier health body is dominated by China. The president further said that he was right about not imposing COVID-19 lockdowns. I took us out of the WHO because they were wrong about everything. Although they corrected themselves, they say I was right about the lockdowns. I asked why are we paying $500 million a year and China, which has 1.4 billion people, is paying $39 a year. They couldn't explain, so I took us out. The World Health Organization just admitted that I was right. Lockdowns are killing countries all over the world. The cure cannot be worse than the problem itself. Open up your states, Democrat governors. While President Trump is continuing his campaigns, he received an unusual endorsement. The endorsement was none other than from the Taliban. According to a news report by US media CBS Network, a Taliban spokesperson claimed that they hope that Donald Trump will win the elections. The Taliban also expressed concerns over the US president's recent coronavirus infection.